Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is the 28th November 2024. In this video, apart from analyzing the performance of the high liquidity zones, we will also discuss about Nifty, the trade that happened today, and also we will discuss about 45 new stocks that are added into F&O starting from tomorrow. Even before that, all of you please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training lessons are available at our NeoStock YouTube channel. At our channel homepage, please click on the tab post. Some of you might be seeing the tab community. Click on the tab. You get access to our free training course. This post is having a YouTube playlist link that will take you to all the training lessons. You just click on the link. Now we are into the playlist supply demand zone price action course. In this course you have all the training lessons are available. You just need to scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here starting from lesson 1.1 all the training lessons are placed in an order. Please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. I have also provided link to our Telegram channel in this video description. Please join at the Telegram channel. It will be useful to you. Now let's get into the analysis and Nifty and the new stocks that are going to be added into F&O list. First we will discuss about Nifty trade. Then we will discuss about the 45 stocks that are going to be added to the F&O list, and then we will analyze the performance of high liquidity zones. Look into Nifty 50. This drop base drop is a high liquidity zone. It looks like this high liquidity zone is slightly pierced, but still it is working. The reason already we discussed on 25th November HLQ zone analysis video. After that, on that day we got a very good trade opportunity because of the previous day on this candle, our software identified stocks near high liquidity zone. The moment we fine-tuned this daily high liquidity zone, we identified a 5-minute zone as an horizon. This is the 5-minute zone. This 5-minute zone is the horizon. Rally base drop. This is the drop. Rally base, medium size candle, part of the base and drop. This rally base drop is the horizon for this entire daily high liquidity supply zone. And this is the area we have strong institutional order flow. That is what we discussed. And also I told you in the previous HLQ analysis video, take as many trades as possible, whatever the opportunities this zone is providing until it is violated, take the opportunities. Continuously we got opportunities in all the 4 days, including today. Go to the daily time frame. This is the first opportunity we got. The previous day our software identified, that's why we got the opportunity. I think around 7,000 rupees we gained from this. Around 200 points gave. Nifty has given the opportunity. Again the next day it gave another 200 points opportunity, trade opportunity. Yesterday also, but yesterday almost at the last 1.5 hour before closing the market, it gave you the trade opportunity. But it gave around 85 to 90 points opportunity it has given yesterday. And today is the ultimate. Finally reached the 15 minutes target. Go to the 15 minutes time frame. Here we have a rally base rally is there. This rally base rally, 15 minute zone, today it reached. And today it has given 442 points it has given. 442 points today till this 15 minute zone. and from this 5-minute zone as an horizon. What is this 5-minute zone as an horizon to the HTF time frame? That is the concept you learned in lesson 22. It is a new concept I developed. You are all aware of those who completed lesson 22. And I told you it is a very powerful concept that I observed institutions are keeping a majority of their order flows in this area as per the lesson 22 concept. Same thing happened to the Nifty. Continuously last 4 days, including today, it has given you the trade opportunity, and today it gave you the maximum opportunity. See, the continuously after it reached, prices reached into the zone, then continuously it was started falling. It's falling. Finally it reached. And this 15 minutes demand zone, now it has started pushing. But okay, this is not good enough to push to get the big profits, but at least it prevented the fall here. At least for today's intraday point of view. You know how much profit Nifty has given as per one futures margin cost? It has given you as per one futures lot, Nifty has given 11,057 rupees profit, which is 15.9% ROI. Most of the times Nifty will be giving you only like 2% or 3% or 4% ROI as per one futures margin cost, because the momentum is very slow in Nifty compared to the equity stocks. But already the first trade 4 days back, when our software identified this stock, that day it has given 7.3% ROI it has given. Next day again 7.3 ROI it was given. Yesterday it has given, I think only it is around 4% ROI yesterday. Even less than 4%, around 3.7 or something. And today it has given 15.9%, close to 16% ROI it has given today. And it is the ultimate. Today it is the ultimate. Those who continuously traded, I know some of our members they are trading continuously Nifty for the last 3 days. I hope today also they might have traded. If you did, please put it in the comment section so that other people also will understand. And I am the most happiest person know that you are trading in Nifty at this level and got the profits. Why this level is giving good profit? Because this is the origin. Origin is having strong institutional order flow. Your Nifty market direction will be changed only after violating this origin. One day it has to be violated. See, every zone will be having some expiry period, which we doesn't know. Until it gets the expiry. Expiry means violated. Until the zone is violated, we will be enjoying the profits the zone is providing. Who knows, next time also it may give an opportunity. Maybe next time it might be violated. Anything can happen. That we can't tell. But until then, you have to enjoy whatever the opportunities it is providing. The day when it is stopped out, only minimum amount we will be losing. Because that day stop loss will hit. That is okay. Compared to all the profits we grabbed all these days. The first trade gave you, if you look into the daily, it will be more clear. This is the trade. When our software identified, the next day we got this trade. It gave 7,000 rupees profit. Next day again another 7,000 rupees profit it has given you. And here another 4,000 rupees profit you would have got yesterday. And today you got 11,000 rupees profit. And overall you would have got 29,000 rupees profit as per one futures margin cost I am calculating. Your investment is same. But within 4 days, you would have captured 29,000 rupees profit. What is the cost of one Nifty future? It's around 70,000 rupees, around. So that means almost more than 40% you gained in just 4 days on your investment. Only on Nifty. Because of the concept you learned in lesson 22, lower time frame zone, this is the 5-minute zone, as an horizon to the higher time frame zone. Higher time frame is your daily high liquidity supply zone. It looks like the daily high liquidity supply zone is violated slightly. But actually it is not violated because the order flow is in this 5 minutes area, and this 5-minute zone is having confluence with this daily zone. Both are having confluence, zone confluence, 5-minute zone and daily zone. Where the confluence took place? At the digital line. That is what you learned in lesson 22. In such kind of lower time frame zone, generally we see a very huge order flows. Multiple trade opportunities you will get. But luckily, continuously 4 days you got. You may not get like this every time. But this time you are lucky. And moreover, 2 days back, HLQ zone analysis, again I told, I think probably on this day. On 26th HLQ zone analysis, I explained about this concept. Lesson 22 concept. Because not only Nifty, several other stocks also, it gave trade opportunities from this, as per this concept. Even in the thumbnail also, in the heading, I kept that lower time frame zone as an horizon to higher time frame, even though you learned in lesson 22. But these are all the practical examples. Lesson 22 is a theory. But practical examples you will see only in the live market. So that's why these HLQ analysis videos are very, very important. Everybody must attend, not only the beginners. I know people who are learning continuously, they are listening. That way you are building your skills. But some people, after learning these concepts, you feel, okay, I understood everything. No need to listen. Okay, you need not listen, but you will be missing the trade opportunities. Because some of you members already completed the course and trading for the last 6 months or 7 months, still you are listening these HLQ analysis. Those who listened my analysis on this day, that is on 25th November, those people probably they might have taken the trade or might not have taken the trade. But because of the explanation I have given on that day, next day they took the trade. Even if you are not a member of the HLQ zone analysis, I mean premium videos, what I mean to say, if you are not the member of the premium video subscription, if you would have listened my HLQ zone analysis on 25th November, yesterday on 26th you would have took a trade, 27th yesterday you would have taken a trade, and 28th today you would have taken a trade. At least these 3 trades you would have captured. And here 200 points, and here about 80 to 90 points, and again here another 420 points. 442 points. Around 750 points you would have captured from these 3 candles. So that's why understanding these HLQ zone analysis videos are very, very important for the learner's point of view, trader's point of view. I do agree, HLQ zones are valid only till the next day, the HLQ zone strategy. Definitely not these lesson 22 concept. Lesson 22 concept, they are valid as long as until it is violated, whatever the opportunities. You can take them. Only HLQ zone, fine-tuned zones are aggressive trade setup zones. They are exceptional. They are valid only for the next day. unless our software again identifies the same zone. See, look into this Petronet. Yesterday we got a trade, day before yesterday it displayed. Yesterday also once again our software identified same stock. Such kind of stocks are valid until our software identifies. But these zones, the lower time frame zone as an origin to the higher time frame zone, that concept, they are valid whether our software identifies or not. If prices reaches that zone, you can plan a trade. Because the order flow is so strong, always it will give you a good trade opportunity until the expiry date. Expiry date means the day it violates. We never know when it will be violated. That day definitely we take the trade and it will hit our stop loss. But that is only minimal. And we won't worry because before that all these days we enjoyed the profit. Let us assume we took the profit here, we took the profit here, we took the profit here. Again we took a very big profit here. Let assume after few days again prices reached, assume that day it is violated. But before violation you might have taken the trade. By expecting one more trade it will give. But that day it will violate. But because already you got so many profits, whatever the stop loss hit, that is negligible to you and you won't bother and you won't consider that itself as a loss. Because all these profits, from these profits, you just deduct that small loss. Still everything is a big profit for you from this zone. If you ignore all these candles, all these profits you got, probably the day it is going to violate, that day only you took the profit, probably you are an unlucky person. That's why always we need to monitor right from the beginning. Very closely. Right from the beginning means the first trade the zone has given the opportunity to you. Why I am focusing so much on this concept, for especially we've been talking a lot about this. Because see, when you get the opportunities, you have to grab it. You should not lose it. Making money is an art. It is a skill. You have to learn the skill. It is like an art. If you build the skill, then only you get the success. Okay, this is about Nifty. And next one is interesting thing. From tomorrow onwards, tomorrow means from Friday trading session onwards, another 45 stocks are getting added into F&O. Already we have 178 stocks in the existing F&O list. Apart from that 178, I don't know, from 178 any one or two stocks might be deducted, but our 178 will be continued. But apart from that, 45 new stocks are getting added into F&O list from tomorrow onwards. What are those stocks? So this is the notification from NSE, National Stock Exchange. So these are the list of the stocks. First 14, I just scrolling the list. First 20 stocks. Again, next 20 stocks. Here, look into this stock, Policy Bazaar. Just focus. Let me, very interesting thing. Look into today what happened in this stock. Here we have a 75-minute zone. This is a high liquidity zone. Rally, base, rally. This is the zone identified by our software, stocks near to this zone. Yesterday it identified, but why it is not listed in our, because in our whatever I am showing you is only F&O stocks. stocks near F&O. Because this stock is not yet added into the F&O, because F&O at present till today we have 178 stocks. After the end of the day, today after the end of the day, for tomorrow's point of view, you will be getting these 45 more additional stocks apart from 178. What I did is, in my software I just executed even in this 45 stocks for the verification, and then I have identified this stock from this 45. This one is identified as stocks near stocks near 75 minutes high liquidity demand zone. This is a high liquidity zone. Rally, base, rally. And this one I fine tuned with 15 minutes time frame. See here we have a 15 minutes zone. We have a drop, 3 base candles and a rally candle. And previously this zone is a 15 minute zone is tested. Again prices moved from here. But even the 15 minute zone is tested, at the time a new 5 minute zone, fine-tuned 5 minute zone is created within this 15 minutes area. Go to the 5 minutes time frame. Within the 15 minutes area, earlier within this area, there is no clear 5 minute zone here. But here we have rally, base, rally earlier. At the time it was pierced slightly. But here you see, again drop, base, rally is created and a very big move after this. So this 5 minute zone is the fine-tuned 5 minute zone. And it is a not tested zone and it is a fresh zone. See today what happened? Today, at 11:45 minutes, we got an entry. After that, see, it gave a huge move. Very big move. If you look into 1 minute, see this one is acting as a high liquidity 1 minute zone. Because this zone is with pro gap, 1 minute pro gap. Drop, base, rally with pro gap. So that is the reason why this zone is might be having a strong order flow. Multiple times it is tested. Here it looks like slightly pierced, maybe it touched the digital line. And again, once again, one more test. This is the area. Prices moved in a narrow range for time. Till then, prices were moving up. Here narrow range. After that, none of the 1 minute zones are violated until it reached the high. And this is the first 1 minute zone violated here. And this below this demand zone, you might have exited your trade at 14:55. When you got the trade? At 11:15. 12:15, 1:15, 2:15. So almost 4.5 hours you might be in the trade. How much profit we would have? Maybe you can't take this trade in the F&O because this is not listed in F&O. From tomorrow it will be listed. Today if you want to take a trade, only in the cash segment you have to take the trade. That is intraday. Probably your brokers will be giving 4 to 5 times margin. See how many rupees profit it would have given during the intraday. So 1893, it could have been stopped. Maybe you would have added some 1 or 2 rupees stop buffer, let us assume. Say 1890 approximately. There you might have exited, let us assume. So 1890 with some 3 rupees stop buffer. Approximately I am adding. Minus, what could be your entry? This is the zone. $17.85, 10 paisa. Even if you add some 50 paisa or 1 rupee extra or 90 paisa as an entry buffer. So let us say 1786 you placed your order. You would have got 104 rupees profit. So it's a very good profit. So that means the new stocks they are adding into F&O also they are giving you. It's not yet added today. Tomorrow onwards it will be in F&O. Still in cash segment it performed very well. It just entered into the fine-tuned area. See how sharply it moved. After that some time prices were moving here. And then again it continued. So probably this is the power of the stocks. So what are the remaining stocks? So this is the total 45 stocks. So probably, but one thing you should be very careful because this is a new list. For some more days, closely you should observe these stocks. Because the existing F&O stocks, they are giving a good results to us, especially the 75 minutes and daily high liquidity zone. Okay, this is about the 45 new stocks. They are getting added into the F&O list. Because more stocks are added, probably you get more trade opportunities also. Some more additional stocks you will get from this list. Stocks near high liquidity demand and supply zones. Okay, when look into the HLQ zones, yesterday we identified 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 high liquidity zones. Unfortunately, none of these stocks we did not get opportunity. One stock came very close to the fine-tuned area. Narrowly we missed the trade. Otherwise, we would have got a good profit in that stock. What is that stock? Navin Fluorine. This is a 75 minutes high liquidity supply zone. See, prices came very close. Even if you add entry buffer also, you won't get the trade. But anyway, we have to accept. Some more level it would have entered, we would have got profit. But this zone is working like a high liquidity zone. This fine-tuned 5-minute zone. How? Let me explain. This 75-minute zone is fine-tuned with 15 minutes time frame. Here we have a 15-minute zone. Rally 1, 2, 3, 4 base candles and a drop candle. See here, this is looking like a lower time frame zone as an horizon to the higher time frame zone. This 15-minute zone. But go to that 75-minute zone. What is your 75-minute zone? Rally, 3 base candles and a drop. So from the earlier candle, institutions created this order flow. Before this high liquidity zone creation, Institutions planned in such a way, before itself they created the earlier. See this rally candle, they created the actual order flow. And then cleverly they created the zone and pushed the prices. So that is the reason why definitely we can consider this as a lower time frame zone, rally base drop. This is the 15-minute zone. But this 15-minute zone should have a fine-tuned 5-minute zone. That is what I have drawn here. Within that 15-minute zone, we have a rally base drop. So this 5-minute zone is the origin for this entire 75 minutes order flow. From there it picked up the order. Several times already tested. This is the first time, and this is the second time, this is the third time, this is the fourth time, and recently this is the fifth time. And recently also a new zone is created. See, we have a rally, 3 base candles and a drop candle and a follow through candle. LOTL zone is created. So definitely there is a confirmation, there is a new orders are added into this zone. LOTL always indicates new orders are added into that area. So definitely we can plan one more trade here. But unfortunately today, prices came near and came down. Probably institutions might have added a very strong even before the zone. That's why price went and sharply came down. Again, second time it was trying to move further, but it didn't go. Again it came down. Supply is so strong today. So that way we missed this trade opportunity. And remaining, they didn't give any opportunities at all. Look into the other stocks. Manappuram, this already we got a trade yesterday. This is a daily high liquidity demand zone. Yesterday we discussed about it. Sorry, yesterday we didn't get the trade here. The trade we got on 11th November. But this one I already explained how I fine-tuned in the earlier videos. Please refer that. This is today's candle. We didn't get, price didn't enter into the zone. Next one is a Pidilite. This is a daily high liquidity supply zone. Drop, rally, 3 base candles and a drop candle. This is how our software identified. And this is I fine-tuned with 75 minutes time frame. Here we have a rally base drop is there, 75 minute zone. But I didn't further fine-tune. That means inside the structure could be bad. That we will see. And here again you have a drop, 1, 2, 3 base candles and again a drop candle, follow through candles. This is the 75 minute zone. We have 2 75 minute zones. Now fine tune with 15 minutes. See, the top one is not at all a good structure. A big wick. Even 5 minutes also I looked into this same candle. So definitely there is no good order flow here. So I just left it. But here you have rally, 2 base candles and drop. Rally, base, drop. This is the fine-tuned 15-minute zone. Within this fine-tuned 15-minute zone, we have again a 5 minutes fine-tuned zone. And it is a tested zone. We have a drop candle, 2 base candles and a drop candle with pro gap. So it gave a very good trade earlier. When? On 12th November 11:40. After that, continuation to that, it's a big move down. Now again prices are started moving, but today we didn't get any trade opportunity. Look into the daily zone, prices are not near. They didn't enter. And next one is ACC. ACC is a daily, 75 minutes high liquidity demand zone. A rally, base, rally. Today prices did not enter, but multiple order flows are there inside this zone. Go to the 15 minutes time frame. Here we have a rally candle, 1 base candle. This is also a medium size leg candle, part of the base. This is a tiny candle. This base candle, first one is a tiny candle. Second one, medium size candle, part of the base. Then you have a rally candle. And then you have again another drop base rally. We have two order flows. If first one is violated, second one you can take the trade. If first one works, you get profit. So fine tuned with 5 minutes time frame. In the 5 minutes time frame, we have rally, base, rally. This is a medium size like candle, base, rally. And here again you have a rally, medium size candle, two base candles and a rally candle. These are the two 5 minutes order flows. But anyway, today price did not enter. We didn't get a trade opportunity. Next one is Petronet. Yesterday we got a trade from this zone. This is the 75 minutes demand zone, high liquidity. Yesterday we got a trade from this zone. After that reached the 15 minutes target. Today from this 15 minutes target, prices came down, but they are not entered into this zone. We didn't get any trade opportunity. And Navin Fluorine already we discussed. Prices came near to the fine tune zone. We didn't get trade opportunity. So that's why HLQ zones, yesterday's HLQ zones, we didn't get any opportunity. But those who followed Nifty based on the concept lower time frame zone as an horizon to the higher time frame, today you would have got a very huge profit. So nearly 16% ROI you would have got today from Nifty. So this is about today's session. Hope this information will be useful to you. Let's all meet again in our next video. Thank you.